Today I decided that I'd just skip my dinner. So it's officially been 24 hours since I ate my last meal, because I'm heading into a 48-hour water fast. 48 hours without food. Is that healthy? If you're interested in intermittent fasting and knowing how this all goes and plays out, keep watching the video. The key point of intermittent fasting is just lowering the time where you eat. So instead of eating 6 times per day, spread all throughout the entire day, is going in 6 hours is a great start. So you limit your eating window to 6 hours and 18 hours of fasting, where you drink coffee and water, and green teas is also allowed, but no calories. In that time, you're giving your body time to rest, and this is highly anti-inflammatory, so if you have any diseases, it will heal. You will also help improve the heart and general longevity if you want to live longer, and improve the skin, improve the digestion, burn some fat, all those benefits. There's a lot of studies done on that. You're tapping into your own body fat and you're burning that as fuel instead of relying on empty carbohydrates. You're transforming your body and turning it into a fat burning machine. You just run on your own fat. You don't need to eat. You can go days without food. Have you ever heard about Breatharians? No, don't dive into that rabbit hole. It's I don't know what you can expect if you do that. I know that it is said that those people, they don't eat. What they introduce into their body is the breath and the life force that is all around us. I don't completely know if I'm buying into all that. There is definitely benefits of just doing intermittent fasting, windows where you don't eat, and give your body a rest and time to digest. When time hits about 6 in the afternoon, you know, the time for dinner, you can feel that it's starting to get hungry, you know, the craving for food is coming. Right now I've just skipped that one. Drink a little bit of water, I've added salt. Prior to all this, I've intermittent fasted for 20 hours per day the last week. So 1 meal per day. And 20 hours per day I do not eat anything, just water and coffee, of course. And I think that has put me into a state where I now can go 48 hours without eating and be totally fine. So that's what we're doing right now, and I just want to document the journey. Show you my first 48-hour fast. So if you are sitting behind the screen right now and feeling kind of obese, maybe you just have a little bit of body fat you just want to burn, turn yourself into a fat burning machine by implementing a little intermittent fasting eating schedule. Just lower the way you eat to a window of 4 to 6 hours. And at first it might get a little bit hard. Add a little bit of salt to your water, drink some more, and you'll be good to go. This night I've felt a little bit hungry. I can feel that my stomach is trying to tell me, are there any food coming? Nope. So I will say that I feel very great. There are no bad things right now. Only the good feels. I can feel that my brain and my body is producing some chemicals that actually make me feel It's some kind of adrenaline, a little boost, a little spikes of energy going on. It's really, really wonderful to experience. No stomach pains, no issues, just going. Now you can look forward to go to bed and enjoy that awesome rest without any food in my digestion. Now I'm probably only around 20 hours left before I eat my next meal. I'm looking forward to that, and I have already planned out what it's gonna be. I feel good. I'm ready to go to bed now. I wonder and looking forward to have a great night of sleep without any food in my digestive system. Looking forward to see if that's something that will improve my sleep. I think it will. See you tomorrow morning. I will catch you and we're making a little coffee. Good morning. 36 hours ago since I last ate. I just woke up after a good 8 hours of sleep. Slept all night. Pretty good, and now we are about to wake up, get the body started. Oh yeah, coffee time. This is the new bag. I haven't tried that before. Interesting to see how that's gonna be. Wow. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay smell. So while we wait at the coffee, going in to do the morning ritual, stretching out and breathing, and we're talking about this experiment later in the day. I feel a little bit weak. Let's see what it does when I do some breathings, stretching, and get myself going with the workout. Done with the morning ritual, and it felt good. Didn't have any problems with the stomach. Just felt great doing the breath work, the push-ups. We got it all done now, and I'm heading into the workout routine now. Getting a workout done on an empty stomach, fasted for 38 hours or something like that. It's gonna be fun. Looking how much strength I got. No strength. I think we got a lot of strength doing this. It's gonna be workout and then cold shower. We safely arrived. This is day 2. Haven't eaten for 42 hours, no food. So this is officially the longest period of time I've gone without food, as far as I can remember. How does it feel? Not that bad, but I have felt a little bit fatigued in the morning. Took some coffee and the breathings, the stretching, and I also did the workout. Thought that it would be pretty hard to do a workout with no food in the stomach, but it actually went pretty well, and I was able to perform almost 40 push-ups with no breath at all. I'm just going. I have been consuming coffee and matcha tea and water with salt in it. And it has done a pretty good job suppressing the hunger. Seems like the body is producing spikes of chemicals into your body when you're doing these fasts. Talking about the digestion. No poop done today, so I'm waiting for that. The bus is pretty late today, We are over 6 hours late, so does it even come today? Go another 6 hours now, and I'm gonna break my fast after those 6 hours. I'm gonna eat like a normal human being again. Looking forward to that. Enjoying the food. Really consuming it with all my senses. I'm gonna use all the senses to consume this food. Oh, gonna be good. You might ask yourself, is this something I could benefit from? And to that I will say, maybe. This isn't for everybody. You can't just jump straight into this 48-hour fast. Your body will just shut down, probably. Your blood sugar will crash, and you might end up having a lot of troubles getting through the day with a high spirit. But if you are interested in losing fat and making your immune system work better, speed up the healing process, and there are many benefits, and you could go check out the links below. I will link up some videos you can check out. Focus on going 6 hours and eating in that window, and all the other hours you are only drinking water and coffee and tea and apple cider vinegar. You can also add the salt to the water, and you're good to go. It's a great way to start it, the intermittent fasting eating schedule. So maybe it's for you just to skip breakfast. All good, almost. A little bit fatigued now and then. It's like my body's trying, coming food, no? Oh, okay, fine, oh, all right. And then a couple of hours later, food? No. Okay. And right now it's totally good. I imagined in my head that I would maybe go another day without eating, but I have bought a lot of food, and I'm really looking forward to ingesting all that food. You can end up in that place where the only thing you think of is when is the next time you're going to eat. And if you are in that mind place, it might be a problem. Because you're only looking for food. You know that you are not gonna get any food. Let thy food be thy medicine, and the medicine be thy food. Saying. So medicate yourself through the food, and you will feel very good. If you're putting in the right medications. You can also just go on the Redbull diet, where you're only drinking Red Bulls. Your goal is 5 liters per day of the Red Bull. And you're always taking in a couple of kilos of Nutella before you go to bed, just to ensure that you're staying on top of your diet. No? Okay. I think we are done. I will come back to you when I've finished this fast and tell you how I'm feeling, and maybe take you with me on what we're breaking it with. Because you can just go and eat a huge amount of meal. You have to be a little bit smart about that. So we're doing that. See you in a bit, when time has passed and I'm allowed to eat again. I'm gonna go now.